Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Talk Academy.
Hi, friends. I'm Ben.
And I'm Emma.
Thank you for joining us today.
Today, we have a very interesting and motivating topic.
Yes, today we will talk about future goals.
We will learn how to talk about dreams, plans, and goals in English.
Everyone has dreams.
Maybe you want a new job.
Maybe you want to travel.
Maybe you want to speak English fluently.
This lesson will help you talk about your future in simple English.
Don't worry if you are a beginner.
We will speak slowly,
We will repeat words.
and we will practice together.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Let me ask you a question.
Sure, Emma.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel around the world.
That sounds amazing.
Yes, I want to visit many countries.
What countries do you want to visit?
I want to visit Japan, Italy, and Brazil.
Wonderful.
Emma, what about you?
My dream is to help people learn English.
You are already doing that.
Thank you, Ben. Let's practice some simple sentences. Repeat after me. My dream is to travel. My dream is to learn English. My dream is to have a good job.
Great. Now repeat with me. My dream is to help people. My dream is to see the world. My dream is to be successful.
Then, what is a goal?
A goal is something you want to achieve.
For example, my goal is to learn English.
My goal is to start a business.
My goal is to travel more.
Let's repeat together. My goal is to learn English.
My goal is to find a good job.
My goal is to improve my skills.
Excellent practice. When we talk about the future, we often use I will.
For example, I will study.
I will work hard.
I will learn English every day.
Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I will study English. I will practice speaking. I will follow my dreams.
Very good.
Many people have a dream job.
Let's learn some common jobs. Doctor, teacher, engineer, pilot, artist, chef, writer, programmer.
Now repeat with me. Doctor, teacher, engineer, pilot, artist, chef, writer, programmer.
Great pronunciation.
Ben, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to be a travel writer
Why?
because I love traveling and writing.
That sounds fun.
Emma, what is your dream job?
My dream job is to be an English teacher.
You already are.
Sometimes our goals feel difficult.
Yes, sometimes we feel tired,
Sometimes we feel afraid.
but we must keep going.
Motivation helps us continue.
Let's say some motivational sentences. Repeat after me. I believe in myself.
I will not give up.
I will work hard.
I will reach my goals.
Fantastic.
Now, let's listen to a story.
This story is about Lucas.
Lucas is a young man.
He has a dream.
Lucas wants to become a pilot.
But becoming a pilot is difficult.
Lucas studies every day.
He practices English.
He studies science,
Sometimes he feels tired.
but he does not give up.
Lucas says, I will follow my dream.
Years later,
Lucas becomes a pilot.
his dream comes true.
This story teaches us something important.
Yes, work hard, believe in yourself, never give up. Now it's your turn to speak. Repeat after us.
My goal is...
My dream is...
In the future, I will
want to.
I will work hard.
I will achieve my goals. Let's practice daily sentences. Repeat after me. I will study tomorrow. I will practice English. I will improve my life.
Now with me. I will learn something new. I will follow my dreams. I will stay positive.
Let's review today's important words. Dream, goal, future, plan, success, motivation.
And useful sentences. My dream is to travel. My goal is to learn English. I will work hard. I want to improve my life.
Great work today. Thank you so much for listening today.
You did a great job practicing English.
If you enjoy learning with us,
Please like the video
subscribe to the channel.
and share this lesson with your friends.
Your support helps us make more easy English lessons.
Now it's time for our question of the day.
Here is the question. What is your biggest goal for the future?
Maybe your goal is to learn English.
Maybe your goal is to travel.
Maybe your goal is to get a great job.
Write your answer in the comments.
We love reading your messages.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.